Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting in the 76 Beetle right now, and I'm going to attempt to put the headliner in. It's been too cold out, but today it's in the 50s, so I'm going to give it a shot and get this in. First, I'm going to have to unbolt the sunroof. So I'm going to unbolt that sunroof so I can tuck the headliner under it. The headliner will also tuck underneath all the metal edging all around, and I'll glue it up. So that's basically it. I'm hoping it's not too difficult, and we'll get to it. See what it looks like. That's it before, and then we'll see what it looks like after. It looks like it just pushes out through the top, but I'm going to let it sit there. Unless I can pull it through, I'll check it out. Alright. Looks like she came out. Alright, this shouldn't be anything too difficult. I might trim it close to size, and then once it's trimmed, I'll glue the whole center of it, leave the edges hanging, then trim the edges, finish spray gluing the edges, and tuck it up underneath the metal edging. That's the plan. So we'll see how that goes. Get all these sunroof screws, put them in the glove box so we don't lose them. I'm gonna shut the camera off. I'm gonna rough it to size. I'll let you know what I measured it to be, and we'll come back with it at a rough size. Maybe I'll probably make it about 2 inches bigger all around, which I don't think I'll have to retrim it after that, because I can probably tuck that 2 inches underneath this metal edge. So that's the plan. And then once it's glued up, I'll go from the top or even from the bottom, and I'll slice all around the sunroof opening and then reinstall the sunroof, which will also help hold the headliner up, but the glue should be fine. All right, here we go. I want to cut it down. Okay, so I measured out the headliner, and it actually looks like, well, I will definitely get 2 headliners out of this one $20 piece of carpet. So both bugs will benefit from this $20 carpet. So you're looking at $10 a car for the headliner, and the glue, I believe, was probably closer to 20 bucks a can. So even if you use a can on each one, which I probably won't even use that of it, but I did buy 2 cans, I'll get these headliners done for 30 bucks a piece. This is the 3M glue we'll be using. It's 3M high strength 90 contact adhesive that is heat resistant. So I figured I'd pick that to make sure that any heat on the roof will not make it fall down or dip, or the adhesion would let go, I would say, probably, if it wasn't heat resistant. Alright, I cut it to size, and I put some spray glue on it, and it's supposed to sit to get tacky. Even if I gotta peel it back and spray it again, you know what I mean? Because it looks like it's not sticking here.
Here it is.
Is it? looking pretty good. Tucked all around the edges. We'll get a better look at it when I'm done, but I'm gonna cut the hole now in it for the sunroof, which you can see right through almost right now, and that should hold it up as well. But it's holding up pretty good. I had to put a lot more glue and work a little faster because what it said on the can was spray both sides, let it get tacky, but it just dried too fast. It was dry before I even got a chance to let it get tacky. So I had to spray it and put it up as I was spraying. That was the best way. And it looks, actually, I think it looks awesome. I like it. Okay, I'm gonna cut out the sunroof hole now. Okay, there it is. Now we'll put the sunroof back. Anything that's a little bit hanging, I'll throw a little more glue in anyway. Even though the sunroof will hold it, I'll just make sure it's staying up there for good. That's so good. Let's get the sunroof back in. Okay, so I had to put a bead of RTV silicone around the top so it seals to the roof. The old silicone was no good anymore. So I got that in, dropped it back through, and now I'm going to put the ring back around it on the inside, which will also be on top of the rug. That'll hold the rug up as well. And we're done. Seems to be a tight fit. So much for the easy part. Could use two hands for this one. Okay, it's sucking up nicely. Okay, sunroof is back in. I don't know if you can see it that good. Headliner is in. Actually came out better than I thought. I think there's supposed to be like a rubber strip that covers the screws. I'll have to see if I can find that. I think it pops too, just like kind of like custom vans have when they have a high top. There's a strip of screws that's covered by a piece of plastic. It just pops in there. So see if I can find that. Other than that, I think it looks really nice. Makes it look finished. For sure. That's it. I'm going to clean up now. That's it for today. I'll finish this door. Still has to be finished. The other one is all back together. It's got like a misty rain out today.